check it out. You can hear all those noises. Yeah, I'm just gonna check this one. Just gonna go lower. Check the sign. Ayan. These are the birds that we can find here. Hopefully we can find some of those birds. Take a shot. Diba? Let's see if it is far away from me. Where are you? Where is it? Okay, let's go through that path. Walk through the dark path. I don't know what's in here. It's the first time I came this path. Okay, we're still in Arrowhead. This is the first time I came. Alright, so walkers only. See what the sign says? Ayan. Alright, walkers only. So I'm just coming here, maybe just halfway. Let's see if I can spot some of those beautiful birds. So far I can't see anything. I can hear one bird. Where are you? Ayaw naman magpakita, o diba? So I guess let's say we can find these flax lily flowers. This one, see? That's what they said we can find it here too, but I haven't seen any. So let's see if there is some here. Let's see. And more of this sign that says all about pangu. Diba? Mushroom. Where can I find all these? Yeah. Saan ba to? Wala akong makita. Diba? Except sa picture lang. O ayan. Sa sign nila. Diyan ko nakikita. Saan kaya? Ayan. Wala pa akong makita. Mushroom pala mas. Mushroom. I found a little blue flowers. There it is. It's so tiny. Yeah. Yeah. But I'm not sure if that's included to the list. But the one I'm gonna find is the one that says and that sign that I haven't found any. Perhaps there's still. Let's see. Palayo na ako sa car ko. Naglayo na naman ng paglalakad ba? Pabalik. Never mind. Let's see what in this end. Wala pa akong nakafind. Ayun, there is a purple berries. Diba? Ayan. Another flowers that I need to find, but I haven't found it. Where is it? Although there is a little blueberries there, but I'm not sure if that's the blueberry that's we are looking for. Blueberries. Wild one, of course. Not the one we're eating. Ayun, I think I found one. Fungus. Yeah, that was the one on the sign. Look what I got. Found it. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, I only found one. Orange one. What if they get a few different ones? That's what we do. Yeah, this is the fern. Fern. Yeah. I have to keep my eyes peeled. Oh, diba? Oh, ayan, another blueberries. Tapos, yan pala yung grass na sinasabi nila. So, that grass called is, what do they call that one? Yeah, I'll take a shot. This one here. Yeah. There they are. Look. Can you see it? Right in the, oops. Right there. See the sort of like orange brown? So this is what they call that one. What's that one? Okay. More to find. Let's see if I can find some more. I haven't found any birds. Ayan. So, some more of these. Ayan. The other birds. I can hear the ocean from here, but I haven't found any birds. Where can I find? Yeah, just listen to the sound of birds. But I can't see where is it. I can hear him. He's somewhere up there. Is he? I can't see you, but I can hear you. So close. Oh, she's flown away. There you go. Look at this. There you go, guys. I found another pangas. Ayan. White one. White pangas. Diba? Ayan. Still hasn't found any birds. I can hear them. But I can't see them. Where is it? See this tree? See this tree? This tree called, I'll show you, black she oak. Come in male and female trees, with the females producing little weedies. Guys, it's done for today. I had to go back in my car. It's quite late and I'm a little bit hungry. It wasn't my day to find lots of, what they say, birds and all, but I did find a couple of things, so that was really interesting. So definitely I'll come back next time and check for some more. Until then, bye. Thank you for watching.